the sun's come out now. And it's going to be another glorious day. You look at the view down here, I'll be able to see the lights. Whether this thing's in focus or not. Nova Scotia, our way back towards New Brunswick. We go to Oxford, which is about 20 clicks on the road here, maybe 15 now. And Robert's still driving. Still driving. You might seem a little bit grainy because our windscreen is peppered. It's shot blasted basically. So it's a bit fuzzy wuzzy. Okay. Going over there. I saw my first eagle about half an hour ago, flying high. See the white neck on it. Really nice. Said on the sign back there that Oxford, where we're going to now, is the blueberry capital of Canada. There we go. You learn something new every day. Okay, we're in Oxford. This is the blueberry capital of Canada apparently. We're going to load with blueberries in a bit, but I've got to go and give my ID in because I haven't been here before. Here's our truck. Got the fridge going. 53-foot trailer. Cooling it down to get the blueberries on. There you go, the lady wants to see is the back of our trailer. A bit dirty. I'll go over here into the house, reception, security office, photo ID required. So, show my mugshot. Okay, we've done our delivery in Nova Scotia. At Oxford there, at the berry place. We got 67 grams worth of berries on the back of here. And we're making our way back towards New Brunswick now. Robert's driving again.
What's new?
Yeah, what's fucking new? I did my bit yesterday, I did a long drive yesterday, so
yeah.
Keep everybody happy, it's sweet.
About
1100 kilometres, wasn't it? 1200 kilometres we drove yesterday. It's pretty cool. It's a beautiful countryside round here. It was amazing last night coming back through from Ontario down by the lakes. The summer's going down. It's another great day. Big farms in Russell. In fact, there's about 3 trucks come up the other way lights today going in the west with them blades on for these fans.
Yeah.
Unbelievable then. Okay, now we've got yellow lights flashing. We have to pull into the scale. It is mandatory to pull in to have the truck weighed, well, every truck weighed when the lights are on. And they have scales dotted all the way down the freeways in the States and Canada, whereas in the UK, very rarely have to hit a scale or get a weigh bridge, as we call it. So we're just going to go through here nice and slow, and it's going to give us a readout for our gross weight. £80,000 the maximum, isn't it, Robert?
In the States it's 80, yeah.
In the States it's 80, yeah.
Here we can run 92.
So we can go a bit higher here. So we're going to have a little readout now.
Yeah, he's going to see it. We're not going to see what it is.
Right. You've got to go over slowly, look. You've got the green light. Nice and slowly.
Probably expecting we'll get the red light and see what check our brakes.
And then we have to, if the red light comes on, we have to stop and we'll check our brake lights. Make sure they're working. You got the green, you got the green, you got the green, you got the green, you got the green.
We must be having lunch.
Okay. You got the big go ahead. There we go. So look. There's a little, I don't know what that's supposed to be, that lighthouse thingy. There's a little river here which is the border from Nova Scotia to New Brunswick. There's the Nova Scotia flags, there's the New Brunswick flags, and there's a little river. There's a big lake over there on that far side. Well, look, we're up to New Brunswick.